everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very important and interesting topic, that is mindset. Once you understand this concept, you will be able to change and apply wherever you want. So mindset is everything. I'll tell you why. Let me give you an example. Suppose you got your house or room painted and it's a very beautiful color, it's your favorite color. But there is a small portion in your room which is not painted properly. A small patch kind of thing is left. Isn't it true? Whenever you enter in the room, you focus on that part only. It happens with our life also. Even when we have all the great things and all the things are there to die for, then also we find the one bad thing and keep our focus on that. That is called scarcity mindset. The scarcity mindset believes that there is or never will be enough, whether related to money, time, opportunity, love, etc. If you are operating from scarcity, you may be focused on everything you think you lack in life. Most people are deeply scripted in what I call the scarcity mentality. They see life as having only so much, as though there were only one pie out there. And if someone were to get a big piece of the pie, it would mean less for everyone else. If someone asks us whether the glass is half full or half empty, we'll definitely say half full. But in real life situation, we don't do that. Let me give you one more example. Suppose your salary is 50,000 and you will get a hike of 10,000. Would you feel good? I'm sure in the beginning you will. But after a while you will again start feeling scarce. This is our tendency. Then what is the problem with this? It's obvious. We want all the good things in our life. We want a perfect life. But the problem is, whatever we focus upon, most of the time we attract that in our life. Our mind is very powerful. We have to think wisely. If we focus on bad, that will grow in our life. So it's not wise to think and see the bad and negative things in your life. I'm not saying you should not improve upon those things. Do improve upon those things, but while appreciating the good things in your life. If I ask, can you predict your future? You will say, how can we? But right now, you are the creator of your future by thinking the thoughts of whatever things you want in your life. So by thinking good and productive thoughts, you are creating a bright future of yours. According to Stephen Covey, the abundance mentality flows out of deep inner sense of personal worth and security. It is the paradigm that there is plenty out there, enough to spare for everybody. It results in sharing of prestige, of recognition, of profits, of decision making. It opens possibilities, options, alternatives, and creativity. So here are some actionable steps you can take to reverse your scarcity mentality. First, use the language of prosperity. Shift your thinking from focusing on what you don't have and focus on the abundance that you do have. Reprogram your brain by making a conscious choice to think positively. Your words have a huge effect on your mindset. Second, acknowledge others' success. Typically, a consequence of scarcity is jealousy. To overcome that, make a conscious effort to improve your outlook by applauding their achievements. Because when you focus on others' achievements, then you attract abundance and achievements in your life. Third, surround yourself with positive people. Choose your company wisely because you are the average of 5 people you spend your time with. So make sure they are good and positive people and they support your growth. Fourth, visualize the future version of yourself. Try to imagine your future with the goals you have in mind and live that life. Fifth, apply a beginner's mindset. Those who practice abundance crave opportunities to learn and grow. Recognize that you don't know everything and remain open with the willingness to learn. Fifth, and most important is gratitude. Gratitude immediately change your frequency from scarcity to abundance. It is the way out for all the abundance and happiness in your life. So guys, go and change your future by choosing the right thoughts and bringing the focus on good. Change your mindset and feel abundance for each and everything in your life. Because we don't create abundance, Abundance is always present. Just bring your focus on it. If you like this video, kindly like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye.